You're not camera shy, are you?
A little bit.
About to find out.
I'm not going to look.
I'm not a fan.
It's alright, I'm just focusing on your work, don't worry.
Okay. Oh my lord.
Better size now. Okay, so you can follow me. So you're going to go
With
through.
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there on the corner. And back. Slow down a bit.
Yeah, that was my trouble.
Because you see what's happened, because you went quite quickly, you pulled them out of line.
Oh, yeah.
So now you're going to come around here and up through. So you're going to.
Excuse me, ladies,
Oh, hello.
interrupting.
That's it, and then it was this one. Never mind, keep going.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright, and then up through this one. And then down through there.
How are you, sir?
I'm alright, how are you doing?
Good.
You alright?
Just back.
You've gone a little bit deep, and that's why they're
I've
starting to
done it
go
again.
long. It's alright, now come back
annoying.
around on yourself and then up. It's still going to look great, don't worry. That's it. Yeah, no, it's going to look good. It's going to look good, don't worry. Good. That's it.
Concentration.
It's not what it was supposed to be. I really like it.
Oh my god.
What
Oh, dear,
on earth? No, I'm
dear.
putting it down. And it still looks good though. No peeking across that. I know it's
Oh,
tempting
no.
to look silly,
I
but you
did what
really
I
need to
did.
concentrate. You're so close to perfection.
Oh my god. I'm feeling very anxious. I just want to share that with everybody.
Yeah.
And actually, when you get there, you can't see where you've got to go.
You're experiencing envy, Natalie.
I am. Look at the control.
You just called me oh.
Yeah.
Envy. Ta-da!
Oh, that's
Ta-da!
fantastic.
Good.
I like
That was what I was trying to do.
Freeze up as I'm videoing. It's right at the end now. Because I videoed the other bits earlier, I thought, well, you need this to kind of like the grand finale. I won't share this with anyone without your permission. I just I make it unlisted so only you can
Yeah.
see it. Wow, you've really gone for it on these.
That's lovely,
Yeah.
isn't it? Beautiful. I've got to do it without my glasses on, that's no good.
I don't think we've got any of you on video swiping it over the edge. Let's have a look. Oh yeah,
That's
it's all going on.
Oh, I like that very much.
There's
That's really pretty.
Awesome.
Yeah. I'll take a picture of it on my wall for you.
yeah. Send me any. But once you've got them framed, I mean that one's got to be framed as well.
Yeah.
You've got two very framed. Actually, you've got. I think you've got three that are possibly four actually with your some of your hard tip. That's it. 45-degree angle. Finally mastered it.
The last one of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
That's really good.
That's beautiful.
Loads of camera. I'm not even pointing the camera. I was doing your thing with the camera's pointing over there.
That's absolutely
Wow.
beautiful.
Oh, actually, while I've got the camera out.
So what's his name?
Oh, my son is
Yeah.
Baruch. Yeah. So what?
Baruch.
Yeah. So tell us what you do. Where do you work?
So my name's Natalie, and I work at a huge great big physics laboratory called Rutherford Appleton Laboratory, and we make instruments to go up into space, and we have massive high power lasers, and we run supercomputers, and we also do particle physics. So lots of our particle physicists go over to CERN and they work on the Large Hadron Collider, and all the data from CERN comes back to our computers back at RAL.
Wow.
And there are scientists at RAL that then look for these amazing bits of elusive dark matter
Yeah.
and various particles
Yeah.
back at the lab. So yeah, it's
Oh,
really,
we love
really
dark
exciting.
matter and dark energy.
Dark matter,
Yeah.
Yeah,
dark
dark matter, dark. And so you visited CERN,
I went to CERN,
Yeah.
a few years ago, and it's absolutely amazing.
and you've
It's
ridden
huge.
around on the
on
golf
the golf
boat
buggy in
underneath
the
the
tunnels
ground.
under the ground. So
How
yeah.
far below ground is it?
So you go down about a kilometre,
Wow.
and the ring is 27 kilometres. So it
Yeah.
goes under France and Switzerland. It's so huge. And there are
That's-
4 experiments around the edge of the tunnel. So
Yeah.
you've got different experiments going on at different
Yeah.
points around the tunnel.
So where were you when they discovered the Higgs boson?
I was in the office because we knew it was coming. We knew the announcement was coming.
Yeah.
We had loads and loads of press
Yeah.
come to visit us, and we had our lecture theatre was.
Were you
full
were
of
you
very
caught on camera
excited
punching the
people.
air?
Yes. Yeah, it was amazing.
Oh,
and
brilliant.
when you go over to our computing lab, they've actually marked where which bit of the processor
Yeah.
spotted the Higgs boson. So
Wow.
it's got a little label on it that said this is the bit of computing kit that actually
That's so cool.
discovered the Higgs
Oh,
boson.
Baruch is
So-
Brilliant,
Baruch is
isn't
going to
it?
love this. And can you top that, Sally?
No.
But you've had a good day today, and you got
We've
fully
had
stuck
a
in with all the
wonderful
colours,
day.
didn't you? Oh,
Absolutely
brilliant.
wonderful.
Oh, and you know Jim Al-Khalili?
Mm.
Yeah, excellent.